The minutes of those meetings must be produced by midnight Tuesday or within 24 hours. Senior Counsel Roysdale Ford, who appeared on behalf of the Guyana Teachers Union Congress, explained how the requested documents are critical to the court's proceedings.
These documents are critical in the resolution of the issues. The government, through the Ministry of Education, is contending that a number of financial measures which are set out in their affidavit form part of a discussion or collaborative process of negotiation. The GTUC and the GTU, we are contending the opposite, that those measures pointed out in paragraph 15 of the affidavit of Saddam Hussein were unilateral impositions. They are critical for the resolution of this case. It goes to the question as to the legality of the strike.
Chief Education Officer Saddam Hussein is contending that since 2020, the Ministry of Education had engaged the Guyana Teachers Union on collective bargaining, while the GTU is alleging that all meetings during that period were statutory and collective bargaining was not discussed. Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Anil Nandlal, who appeared on behalf of the government, shared his view on the judge's ruling. So you're not disagreeing that the minutes the court just ordered to be produced would form an important part of the substantive matter?
The substantive matter are questions of law. It's whether teachers who did not work and who participated in a strike should be paid. The question whether that question can't be determined by whatever minutes and whatever different factual narrative there are from the competing parties. That is a question of law. No work, no pay. That is the law of Guyana.
The minutes will form part of the substantive case to be heard, in which the GTU has asked the High Court to prohibit government from slashing the salaries of striking teachers and to continue the deduction of membership dues and remit same to the bargaining agent. Meanwhile, the application filed by Attorney-at-Law Darren Wade, where the High Court was asked to order collective bargaining after talks collapsed 2 weeks ago, was withdrawn by Wade. Why was your application withdrawn?
Why was my application withdrawn? Because the Attorney General undertook, he gave an undertaking to the court to produce the documents, and it was on that basis the court invited me, and you were there, invited me to withdraw the application on the basis of the undertaking.
The GTU is maintaining that the deduction of monies from teachers who were on strike violates freedom of association and assembly, contrary to Section 147 of the laws of Guyana. Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.